Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine. I'm back again, and today I have some new wheel covers for my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. These wheel covers are from EVBase, and I feel that they just look a little bit better than what I currently have on the car. So let's take a look at them. All right, start off with, got them here in a box. They're from EVBase, and let's take a look at them here. Got a little bag of accessories in here. Okay, so I got some foam pad here. I'm going to get to that in a little bit. It looks like they gave me a little tool to help take off the other wheels covers off to my original ones, help pry them off a little bit. And they do come with some center caps here that are just plain black. However, they also sent me these ones right here. It has a Tesla logo in them. Okay, so I have a choice if I want them to be all black or if I wanted the Tesla logo. But anyways, I got these right here. This is what it came with. Get rid of that. And here is the cover itself. Let's take a look at it. All right. Nice little padding in here. Take that off. So these here are the original wheel covers that came on my 19-inch wheels on my car. Now, when these ones are on the car, here's the metal part of the wheel right here. So you can't see the brake calipers inside there. Okay, it pretty much covers it all the way, which it does give it a little bit better airflow. Not so much resistance when it's driving. It's supposed to give you a little bit better range, mileage, and everything when you're using these ones. These ones here, okay, they will show up a little bit more. The metal part of the rims are going to go on pretty much right in this area right here. So you're going to see a little bit more inside your wheels with this opening right here, to where if I want to paint my brake calipers or maybe put the cover on my brake calipers, put a different color, which is something I'm planning on doing in the future, then when I'm driving, you will be able to see the brake calipers a lot easier because of these openings. So anyways, and also what's good about these wheel covers here is they cover the entire rim. So let's say I rub up against a curb or something like that, it's going to damage these, which I can replace these a lot cheaper than I can replace or having one of my rims fixed and repaired. So that's why I decided to go with these. There's all kinds of different ones. I'm going to give these ones a try. The one thing that I will have to do is I'm going to take this foam and you just put that right along this edge right here on the inside, and really that's just to help protect your wheel from getting scratched or anything like that, and it's just going to help it stay on your car a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and then go out there and install these. All right, now that I got all the padding put on here, that was pretty easy. Just took my time and put it around there. I'm going to go ahead and put my center caps on and go from there. Looks like the center caps have some kind of plastic cover, protect it. And then they got a sticker on the inside, and we're just going to put them on there like that. So let's get the sticker cover off. There we go. Got the backing off, got the sticker ready. And it really just pops right over this. There we go. And all I did is that because of my OCD, I'm going to make sure I put that T straight down one of these lines straight from here. I'm going to put them all in the same way. I tell you what, I had the hardest time sometimes getting these sticker backs off. Get the backs off these stickers, and man, bugs the crap out of me. Maybe one day in my life I'll figure out an easier way to do it. Anybody have a suggestion for getting the backs off of these stickers, let me know in the comments. So remember, you could put the black ones on there. It'll look just like that, but I like the black and the white look, so I'm sticking with these T logos ones here that they sent me. All right, now that I got these things, the little center caps put on, I got the padding done around the back here. Just go out there and put them on the car and see what they look like. Okay, so the only thing you got to do when you go to install these is make sure that your valve cap right here lines up with that hole right there. Start that off with, put it right over top of it, and then slowly push them in. And what I like about it is it completely covers your rim all the way around. And now I got this one installed, and you can see right through here, I can see my brake caliper, so it's going to help me be able to view that once I get these covered up. So let's go ahead and install the rest of them real quick. All right, let's take a look at this a little closer. I mean, you can see that these things cover, this is all part of this wheel cover right here. It's covering the rim all the way. So any kind of curb damage or anything, it's just going to hit these covers right here. And then these ones here. Now, if you hit a curb super hard, obviously it'll probably go right through this, bust it, and then damage the wheel as well. But these things here will hopefully take the brunt and not put any damage on your wheel. See it all the way around. Center cap's in there pretty nice. And I get those brake caliper covers on there. This is going to look good. Take a look at that. Ain't that look good? Well, there you guys have it. These rim covers went on very simple. All you had to do is put that little bit of foam around the inside of the covers, put the caps on there, and install them. Takes like 3, 4, 5 seconds to put them on the car. It's not very long at all. You just got to line it up with the valve stem, put that over the hole, push them in, and they click right in place. You can remove them if you need to, put them back on. Very simple to do. If this is something you're interested in, these are from EVBase. The link is down below. Also, you can use my discount code for a discount. They also sell all kinds of other items. Check them out. Go straight to their page. Purchase whatever you want. Use my affiliate link, like I said, down below. It'll help give you a discount. Guys, if you like this video and you haven't done so already, give me a like, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and be safe out there. Have fun and keep driving. Check you later. Bye. See ya.